Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to return an order on Trendyol step by step. So let's get started. First, you want to open the Trendyol app on your phone, or you can also use the Trendyol website, but make sure you're logged in into your account because you won't be able to view or manage orders if you're signed out. Now, once you're logged in, you want to go to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on My Account or Account, and from there, you want to select My Orders. Now, this is where all your recent purchases are listed. Currently, I don't have any, but from here, you'll find the order or product you want to return. You want to tap on it, then choose return or request return. You'll be asked to select a reason for the return, such as wrong size, damaged item, or simply changing your mind. After that, Trendyol will show you the available return methods. In many cases, returns are free and handled through couriers partners like M&G Cargo. Now, if a return code is provided, make sure to copy or save it. Now, you want to pack the item securely and take it to the selected courier branch, show them the return code, and hand over the package. You don't need to pay for shipping as long as the return is within the allowed period, which is usually 15 days after delivery. Now, if your order was from an international seller or marketplace store, make sure to double check the seller's specific return policy on the same page, as conditions may vary. And once Trendyol receives and approves your return, and your refund will be sent back to the original payment method within a few business days. And that's about it. That's how you return an order on Trendyol quickly and easily. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.